The quality of your AI answers usually depends on the prompt you give it. Most people blame AI when responses sound vague or unhelpful. The real problem is almost always the instruction, not the tool. A prompt is simply the instruction you give AI. Most people were never shown how to write one. They treat AI like a search engine. Type a few words and hope for the best. AI is not a search engine. It responds to instructions. Here is what that looks like. Imagine handing a task to a new employee. If you give them one short sentence with no background and no goal, they will guess. AI does the same thing. A vague instruction produces a vague answer. A lot of beginners write prompts like this. Write an email. Summarize this. Plan my day. AI can respond to all of those, but the answers feel generic because the instruction itself is generic. Better prompts usually include three things: what you want done, the situation or context, and what the final answer should look like. That is it. You do not need technical skills. You just need to be more specific than most people are. Here is a weak prompt. Write an email to my boss. Here is a stronger one. Write a professional email to my manager explaining that our project will be delayed 2 days due to vendor equipment. Keep the tone calm and brief. That version gives AI real direction. The answer will sound more useful right away. The same approach works for planning. Instead of plan my day, try this. I have 3 meetings and 2 deadlines today. Help me organize my morning so I can focus before things get busy. More context. Better result. One thing beginners often miss: your first answer is not your final answer. You can reply to AI just like a conversation. Say, make it shorter. Say, make the tone more casual. Say, give me 3 options. AI builds on what you have. That back and forth is where AI becomes truly practical. The people getting the best results are not using different tools. They are simply giving clearer instructions. Follow HowYouAI for practical AI for work and life.